We believe we eat with our eyes first.
I bring recognizable flavors, but I'll add the outlier ingredient that will make like, I need to take another bite of that.
I am Lawrence. I'm the owner of Craftsman and Wolves.
I'm Sam. I'm the executive pastry chef at Craftsman and Wolves.
I chose Craftsman and Wolves because Craftsman represents the individual pursuit of perfection, and Wolves mean the team spirit that we need to have to achieve a common goal.
It's not your typical looking patisserie. It has a little grit. It has masculinity. It has femininity. And then when you get to the pastries, you fall in love with the layers. You get entranced by the motion and the curvatures. Art is everything in baking. What you taste, it's what you see. We're fortunate to live in California and have these beautiful seasons of abundance of fruits, fresh milk, all kinds of dairy, and it just elevates the unctuousness of every bite. Naming a pastry is interesting and fun. We just spitball ideas and just come up with names and see kind of what sticks and what makes each other laugh. The dirty horchata cake. It is a speculoos sponge cake with a espresso cinnamon streusel with a arroz con horchata, layer nice creamy rice pudding encapsulated in a light caramel mousse and sprayed with a white chocolate velvet spray. And then the garnish is a small little chaos ball of chocolate. I mean, the flavors of the dirty horchata cake are inspired by my team, so I wanted to make this for them.
We always put our emphasis on quality before growing business.
When a customer walks into Craftsman and Wolves, I want them to experience how I see the world of flavor. I would love for them to open up their minds and their bellies to another person's interpretation.